weather in line across eastern Texas, portions of Oklahoma, on into Arkansas and Louisiana. The warm, humid air in place on the eastern third of the country, state, and then on the western side of the state, really.
That is the coolest thing I have ever seen. Looking at itself in my mirror. It is so pretty.
For severe weather this afternoon, 7 p.m. We know the Houston Rockets are playing the Dallas Mavericks. It's game 3, I believe, of the playoffs there. If you're heading out to the game, if you're in this region, some of these storms right around game time could be very, very dangerous when it comes to at least what the models are showing us here. Take you through the evening and afternoon hours. Storms really flourish across North Texas on into Oklahoma City and Tulsa. And by 7, 8, 9 p.m., these storms get up towards Little Rock. Something will follow across this region. Take you into Fort Gaines, Georgia.
Don't.
Guess who's there?
Click, man.
It's looking at itself in the mirror. To a peekaboo. Isn't that the prettiest bird you've ever seen?
It's funny. It's a robin.
It's a bluebird.
But it's just as like
Orange.
a robin.
Yeah. Isn't it gorgeous?
Looks like a blue robin.
Pretty bird.
Look at it.
It's a funny bird. So yeah. I wonder how long it's gonna do that.
And that sees itself in the window. You silly bird.
Let's roll.